of Vick versus Vick, case number 2021-5400 DM. If both parties could please state their name for the record, starting with the plaintiff, Michelle.
Michelle Vick.
Joshua Vick.
Good morning, everyone. Today's date and time set for a hearing. We're doing this by remote technology. The contents of this video may be the official record or proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a motion to exempt the case from friend of the court services. I'm glad both of you are here. I'll swear in both of you and get a little bit of testimony. Ms. Vick, if you could raise your right hand.
That's
Do
me.
you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your full name, spelling your first and last name for the record.
It's Michelle Marie Vick, MICHELLE, MARIEVICK.
Okay, sir, if you'll raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Would you state your full name and spell your first and last name for the record?
Joshua John William Vick. JOSHUA-VICK.
Okay. I will go through a series of questions, and then we'll see if this matter can be exempt from friend of the court services. Is there any evidence of domestic violence or unequal bargaining position between the parties in this case? Ma'am?
No,
Sir?
No.
Would granting the parties this relief of having you folks handle the matter on your own be in the best interest of the children? Ma'am?
yes,
Sir?
Yes.
And for the record, the parties have filed their advice of rights forms. Are you receiving any public assistance, ma'am?
no,
Sir? Is there any monies due to the state due to past public assistance for a child in this case, ma'am?
no,
Sir?
Nope.
And is there any arrearages for any custody or parenting time violations that have occurred in the last 12 months, ma'am?
no,
Sir?
No.
And neither of you have reopened a friend of the court case in the last 12 months. Is that correct, ma'am?
no,
Sir?
No.
Okay, and you do not want Title 4D or a friend of the court services in this case, and you'd rather handle the matter on your own. Is that correct, ma'am?
yes,
Sir?
Yes.
Ma'am, any other statements you'd like to make for the court?
nope,
Okay, anything you'd like to say to the court, sir?
No.
Okay, well, as was stated in the motion and what I see in the testimony, it sounds like both parties are doing absolutely what they're supposed to be doing. They're putting their children's needs first and they're cooperating and acting like adults. I shouldn't sound surprised, but in this courthouse, sometimes I am. So I appreciate you folks doing what you need to do for your children. There's no sense the government being involved in your lives then. So I will sign the order exempting the case from friend of the court services. If at any time any of these matters change, i.e. someone goes on public assistance or you two aren't getting along well enough, either one of you at any time can petition the friend of the court to get back in to monitor the child support. Do you understand that, ma'am?
yes,
Sir?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I will sign the order exempting this case. I commend you for doing what you need to do, and that'll be the order to court, and we'll get it out to the addresses we have on file. Any questions, ma'am?
no.
Any questions, sir?
No.
All right. Best of luck to both of you and the children.